are in a service that people might assume that, like emergency service, they're damn well going to expect you not only to answer, but be able to go out that day. One market that I know for sure this is a great hack is in HVAC services, like air conditioning repair, heating repair. You can literally run your ads there and literally pay after the quality score lift you get by saying on your ad copy, we're open at 2 a.m. On your ad, like I mentioned before, instead of paying $60 a click, you can pay like $8 a click just running your ads overnight.